I grew corn for the first time this year, and the results really surprised me. Corn isn't just for fields and farms, and in my backyard, in this 20 square foot area, I was able to grow corn. Once the tassels appeared on July 14th, I was harvesting corn in just about 3 weeks. You'll know when your corn is ready to harvest when the silks have completely browned and dried out. I haven't been this excited about a harvest in a really long time. I think this was probably one of the easiest and most fun things to grow in my garden. Most of the corn was ready to harvest, but there were still a few left on there that didn't have their silks completely dried out, so I probably have another week before I can harvest these. In total, I harvested 21 ears of corn. You can see the majority of these are very large. I mean, there are a few on there. These were the secondary ears on the stalk that are a little on the smaller side, but overall, I'm very pleased. You could see I'm peeling back the first one here, and it got really good pollination. All of the kernels have filled out the ear. When it comes to pollination, each one of these silks on the outside represents a silk that runs down the length of the ear of corn, and each silk is attached to a single kernel. So when the corn gets pollinated, all of these kernels fill out. If it doesn't get pollinated, that's when you'll see missing kernels. So the husks will go into the compost pile. That's going to be great for the compost. I separated these into two piles. I have larger ears here, and then I have some skinnier ones here. So I think what I'll do is preserve these two different ways. The first step when you're preserving stuff that you're going to put in the freezer, which I'm going to do, is to parboil it. So I'm just parboiling these in batches for about 4 minutes. This basically will stop flavor loss and will maintain that bright color on the corn and the crispness. And then once they're boiled, you just put them into an ice bath to stop the cooking process. So I froze a bunch of them whole. Those will be great on the grill. And then the rest of them I cut from the cob, and I was able to get a little over 2.5 pounds of kernels. Overall, a really great harvest. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.